Hello friends, I'm sharing an exciting code from codesteal.com. Now they have Andrew Demko AD-10 titanium limited in stock, limited to 1,000 units. I am very truly excited because I love the touch and the feeling and the lightweight of the titanium steel as a handle grip. Let me show you the code. So go to shop now, then add to cart, and I already added it to cart. And use my secret code here, which is CS30, and say apply. You see, it's a magical code, save you 30%, which is a whopping $120. So $400 minus 120 became 280. I estimate this price will go as low as 240 around Black Friday. But for only $40 difference, I am going to buy one right now. Thank you.